Hi, flower friends. I'm back today to talk to you about the difference between different types of lilies. So we have two different major varieties of lilies. We have Asiatic lilies or Oriental lilies. And you might ask, what's the big difference? Well, there's actually quite a few main characteristics. So when we're looking at an Asiatic lily, these lilies have smaller blooms, and notice how the petals are very, very smooth. The color is also one solid color typically for this variety of flower. So we might find them in white, in yellow, orange, red, which is kind of more of a burgundy, if I'm being quite honest. And these ones don't really have any sort of fragrance to them. Some people will call them a tiger lily, and some people will also refer to them as daylilies, but actually daylilies are not the same variety. They're a similar shape though. So really tiger lily or Asiatic lily is this guy. They also have a smaller blossom and tend to be less expensive than their oriental counterparts. So when we're looking at an oriental lily, so this one is called a Casablanca, and you can see it's a really beautiful lily that has kind of ruffled edges. And this is only partially open. When it opens up, it's actually going to get quite large, and it's going to have a very fragrant smell to it. So that's really what people purchase them for. They have been used to make perfumes and things of that sort. But they're a very interesting flower, much bigger. You can get them in the solid white color, you can get them in the solid pink. Probably the most famous variety is called Stargazer or Starfighter. And those ones are pink ones with white edges to them. They're, again, very fragrant and really pretty flowers. Thanks for joining me.